Molo. Molo is hello. Molo. 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 Zama ukuthi molo. Yay! Molo, molo, molo. Molo, molo, molo. Mama. Uyakwazi ukuthi mama. Mama is mommy. Mommy is mama. 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 Umntana uyakwazi ukuthi mama. 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 Umntana uyakwazi ukuthi mama. 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 Uphi. Uphi. Nangu. Uphi. Uphi. Nangu. Uphi. Uphi. Uphi umama. Uphi. Uphi. Nangu umama. Nangu umama. Uphi. Uphi. Nangu umama. Mama. Mama. Can you count ngesiXhosa? 1. Inye. Inye is 1. 1 is inye. Inye. 2. 2 is zimbini. 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 Zimbini is 2. 3 is zintathu. Zintathu. Zintathu is the number 3. Zintathu. Zintathu. 3. 4. 4 is zine. 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 Zine is 4. 4 is zine. 5. 5 is zinhlanu. Zinhlanu is 5. Zinhlanu. Zinhlanu. Zinhlanu is 5. Yay! You did it! Wow! Wena uyakwazi ukubala. Now try saying tata. Tata. Tata is daddy. How do you say daddy? You say tata. Can you try? Yay! Tata. Well done. Let's try saying tata. Masizame ukuthi tata. 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 Tata is, yes, Tata is daddy. Umntana uyakwazi ukuthi tata. Tata. Tata, umntana uyakwazi ukuthi tata, tata, tata. Yay! Well done! You did it! Uyenzile! Ina, imoto, tata, tata, ina, tata, ina, tata, ina dada, tata, ina imoto. Do you want to try counting with me? Zama ukubala kunye nam. Inye, zimbini, zintathu, zine, zinhlanu. Well done! Yay! Uyakwazi ukubala. Well done! Milk, ubisi, milk. Food, ukutya, food. No, hayi, no, hayi. Yes, ewe, yes, ewe. Please, Ella, please, Ella, please, Ella, mama. Masicthuleni. Cula is sing. Yes, Masicthuleni. Are you ready? Let us sing the counting song. Masicule ingoma yokubala. Inye, zimbini, zintathu, zine, zinhlanu. Inye, zimbini, zintathu, zine, zinhlanu. One more time. Inye, zimbini, zintathu, zine, zinhlanu. Inye, zimbini, zintathu, zine, zinhlanu. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, Chomi. Sisibongo, uyakuthanda. Bye. Don't forget to like and subscribe.